If you've been wondering how to trim in Tinkercad, the key thing to know is that Tinkercad does not work like a drawing app with a scissors tool. Instead, because it is a solid modeler, you trim shapes by cutting away material using a hole. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do it using the box hole method, which is perfect for straight trims. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like, and make sure to subscribe for more easy Tinkercad tips and step-by-step tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Tinkercad and place the object you want to trim onto the workplane. You can do this by dragging your chosen shape from the Shapes panel into the workspace. Once your object is on the workplane, take a moment to decide exactly which part you want to remove. This is important because in Tinkercad, trimming means cutting with precision, not freehand editing. Next, go to the Shapes panel and drag in a box shape, but make sure you switch it to a hole. The hole version is usually shown with gray stripes, so it stands out from the solid shapes. This box hole is what will act like your cutting tool. Now position the box hole over the part of the object that you want to trim away. You can move it, resize it, and adjust it until it covers the exact section you want removed. If you need a clean, straight edge, the box hole method is the best choice. Zoom in if needed so you can line everything up carefully. The more precise you are here, the cleaner your final trim will look. If the hole is too small, it won't cut enough. If it's too large, you may remove more than you intended, so take your time and make sure the placement is correct before moving on. Once the box hole is in the right place, select both the original shape and the hole together. You can drag to highlight both objects, or click each one while holding the selection key if needed. After both are selected, click the Group button at the top toolbar, or simply use Ctrl+G on your keyboard. The moment you group them, Tinkercad will subtract the hole from the solid object, and the covered section will disappear. That is the trimming process in Tinkercad. It's really just a smart way of cutting one shape out of another. If the result doesn't look right, you can always undo it, adjust the hole, and group again. That's one of the best parts of working in Tinkercad, because it's easy to test, fix, and refine your design. A quick tip, if you only want to trim a specific edge, make sure the hole extends fully through the part you want to remove. Since Tinkercad cuts by subtracting volume, the hole has to intersect the solid in the right place for the trim to work properly. You can also use the same method for many other kinds of cuts, not just basic trimming. Once you understand how holes and grouping work, you'll be able to make cleaner, more accurate models much faster. So remember the simple formula. Place your object, add a box hole, position it over the section you want to remove, and then group the shapes together. That's how you trim in Tinkercad the right way. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.